Welcome back. Singapore's industrial output fell unexpectedly in November, plunging 9.3% compared to the same period last year. And this is the largest decline since December 2015 and comes after 2 straight months of growth. But experts say it's not a cause for concern yet. Kelly Wong reports.
The electronics cluster was the biggest culprit behind November's results. It fell more than 20%, and it's an about turn from the segment's 0.9% growth in October. The nosedive was led mostly by computer peripherals and semiconductors. Sharing the blame for the weak results is the biomedical cluster, which plunged more than 10%. It's also its first on-year contraction since September last year, led by a 12.7% drop in pharmaceuticals. The November slump bucked the growth trend seen in September and October. It also surprised market watchers who were expecting a rise of 0.8% based on a Reuters poll. And an expert says it's because of market jitters amid US-China trade tensions.
There is that December 15 deadline for the tariffs that was in place when the data itself was being collected. There's a lot of this anticipation at that point of time in November for the December 15 tariffs that's going to be added to an additional goods. So I think to some extent it's actually could have affected the confidence for the production, and thereby seeing the number itself coming through to be a bit of a disappointment as well.
But there were also some bright spots this time. Precision engineering grew at 9.7% and transport engineering 2.1% compared to last year. Moving forward, OCBC says the electronics and biomedical clusters may remain weak going into the first quarter of next year, but it expects a modest overall manufacturing recovery in 2020. Market watchers expect December to continue contracting but come in slightly better than November.